Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. So if you have an Android phone, basically you don't have to use any third-party applications in order to send files from your phone to this laptop. All you have to do is enable Quick Share, which you can do by opening the launcher right here, go into Settings, in Settings select Connected Devices, then switching this toggle to the right, and all you have to do is change the visibility and select which who can view, who can share with you. Let's select contacts, then click save, and now all your contacts can send you files using Quick Share. But let's make it visible to everyone. To do that, open the control center right here, then click Quick Share, and once you click Quick Share right here, your device will be visible to all the devices nearby. So if you want to send a file from your Android phone, what all you have to do is click this share button, then select Quick Share, then enable Bluetooth, and look for available devices. And once you see your laptop on the list, start to tap on it and start to connect to it, then accept the downloading on your computer, and then just wait until it's sent, until the image is sent. So it's gonna take some time probably, and sometimes it doesn't go well at the first time, especially if you have a weak internet connection like I do currently. So let's wait. Okay, and once the image is received, you'll be able to find it in the downloads folder, and here is the image that we sent. Now let's say you have an iPhone. Now what you can do in such case, in order to send files to iPhone or even Android too, so I'm gonna present it using the same phone. All you have to do is open your web browser, then search for a website called PairDrop.net, enter it. Then in order to link your phone with your laptop, you have to click this link icon right here, and then either open the same website on your phone and click the link icon on it and use this code in this field on your phone, or just scan the QR code that you can see at the top of the screen using your phone's camera and get redirected directly to this session. So let's do it this way. Just scan the QR code, and you'll get directly linked. Let me connect to the internet on the phone. Okay, so I figured it might be better if I use an actual iPhone for it. So let me click the link icon. Let me get back online, because it seemed to me that my internet connection is unstable for unknown reasons. Okay, now let me use the camera of my phone to scan this QR code and get redirected to this website. And now using my phone, I have to select the icon of this laptop. So as you can see, here is the icon of my phone, and I have the icon of this laptop on my phone too. So what I have to do is click on it, then select the file that you want to send to this laptop, and once I select the file, I just have to accept it on this laptop by clicking accept, and then just wait until this file is sent to me on the laptop. And once the file is sent again, you're gonna be able to find it in your file explorer in your downloads folder. So unfortunately it's still not sent because due to the poor internet connection, but generally speaking, that's how you do it. This process is usually not as complicated when you have a more or less stable internet connection. So that will be it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.